Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we will explore Tactical Edge, a tool designed to help you analyze profitable opportunities and understand your competition. Specifically, you can gain an edge by analyzing competitor data, including a number of sellers, their stock quantities, and who currently holds the Amazon buy box. There are two ways to access the Tactical Edge tool. First, you can find it via the main menu on the left side of the screen. Simply click the Analysis Tools tab, and from the drop-down menu, select Tactical Edge. The second method is through the View Results page. Locate the Number Selling New column, and then click on the microscope icon. This will open the Tactical Edge analysis page for that specific product in a new window. If you're using the tool from the main menu, you will need to input data manually. First, select a product you want to research, copy its ASIN from the Amazon product page, and paste it into the Tactical Edge toolbar. Next, enter your buy price in the Buy Price field. While this is not mandatory, without it, the system cannot calculate your profit and ROI. Finally, click Fetch Information to generate the analysis. Note that if you access Tactical Edge from the View Results page, the ASIN and price information are pre-filled automatically, so you can skip these steps. Once the analysis loads, you will see two panels, the Product Information panel at the top and the Seller Information panel at the bottom. In the top panel, you can view key details such as ASIN and reviews. This section includes links to Camel, 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 and your Amazon seller page to confirm if you can sell the product, along with the product's rating and review count. Buy price. You can verify or edit your buy price here. Any changes will immediately update the estimated gross profit and ROI calculations. Breakdown and competition. This area displays the number of FBA and merchant fulfilled sellers, including how many are priced within a competitive range of the buy box. Estimated sales. This section helps you gauge demand by showing the estimated number of product sales over a 30-day period. The bottom panel lists the sellers who carry this product. This table provides critical insights, for example, seller name. Clicking a name reveals their Amazon profile. You can also click the icon to the left of their name to start a reverse search on their storefront. Amazon FBA Merchant Fulfilled. This column tells you the sales channel used. The FBA seller rows are highlighted in blue for easy identification. In stock. This shows the specific quantity of items the seller has in stock. Gross profit and ROI. These two green columns estimate your potential profit based on your fee structure compared to different competitor price points. To use this data effectively, consider a few strategic questions. First, is your required price point comparable to what is currently seen in the marketplace? Second, could you realistically set a higher price if the current buy box holder has low stock and might soon sell out? Finally, compare the estimated monthly sales figure against the stock quantities held by the top sellers to anticipate the turnover rate. That brings us to the end of our overview of Tactical Edge. By reflecting on these insights, you can make informed, strategic decisions that suit your goals. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.